Good morning, student. How are you? In nitric acid, I have explained their chemical or physical properties and some reason and Ostwald method for preparation of the nitric acid. Now, we are going to discuss about chemical properties of nitric acid. In my previous video, already I given when nitric acid decompose a little temperature, it's decompose, it's give nitrogen dioxide, water, and oxygen. You know that the nitric acid prepared in the lab, it's yellowish in color because it's contain dissolved nitrogen dioxide gas. Due to presence of this gas, the color of nitric acid, whatever you are going to prepare in the lab, yellowish in color. Now, pure nitric acid colorless and unstable and decompose slightly. Just I say that pure nitric acid colorless and unstable, it's decompose slightly. Next question is that dilute nitric acid easily ionize compared to the concentrate nitric acid. See that dilute nitric acid easily ionize. Why it's ionize? See that it's means dilute, it's give hydrogen ion and nitrate ion, easily ionize. Whereas means dilute nitric acid easily ionize, so it is a good means good electrolyte, you can say that. Where concentrate nitric acid is not easily ionized. Next point is that the nitric acid oxidizing nature of the nitric acid. Oxidizing nature of nitric acid, oxidizing nature. See that nitric acid decompose and give nascent oxygen, means water, nitric oxide, nitrogen monoxide, and it's give plus nascent oxygen, free oxygen. Due to presence of this nascent oxygen, what is a nascent oxygen? Just like very reactive, just like small kids, just you are offering a chocolate, he don't know you are my friend or enemy, the kids run towards you for the chocolate. Means it's decomposing from nascent oxygen. Due to that, it's showing the oxidizing nature or properties. See that afterward, action of nitric acid with non-metal. I have a non-metals. I have given this important reaction with carbon, sulfur and phosphorus. With sulfur, this reaction is coming near about 6 of 4 or 5 times. In acid base chapter also this reaction was there. How? See that when concentrate and hot and concentrate, nitric acid react with non-metal like carbon, sulfur, phosphorus, expand carbon dioxide, water and reddish brown color gas, that is a nitrogen dioxide. This with sulfur, sulfuric acid, with phosphorus, phosphoric acid. This question can be asked different type. How do you prepare phosphoric acid from nitric acid? Sulfuric acid from nitric acid? What happens when phosphorus, sulfur, carbon react with hot concentrate nitric acid? You can give reddish brown color, come out reddish brown color gas, that is nitrogen dioxide. Next, you know that nitric acid is not used in manufacture of hydrogen. In 9th class hydrogen chapter you have studied, because nitric acid is powerful oxidizing agent. It's decomposed and form nascent oxygen. That nascent oxygen again oxidize hydrogen into water. So nitric acid is not used for preparation of hydrogen. But magnesium and manganese, these only two metal which used for preparation of nitric acid. Just I'm going to explain. Nitric acid, X form magnesium nitrate, and hydrogen. X form manganese nitrate, and hydrogen gas. See that only two metals which react with very dilute nitric acid, then it form hydrogen gas. Otherwise, it form hydrogen. Okay, miss, remember that only two metals, magnesium and manganese, react with very dilute nitric acid, then it give hydrogen gas and form their metallic nitrate. Next point is that when metal, two conditions are there. When metal react with dilute nitric acid and metal react with concentrate nitric acid. See, copper example I am taking. Copper, when copper react with nitric acid, it form copper nitrate, 3CuNO3 whole twice. Copper nitrate and water and 6,8 nitric oxide. Condition is that when dilute nitric acid react with metal like copper, zinc and iron, it give metallic nitrate, water and neutral oxide, nitric oxide. Whereas same metal, copper, nitric acid, that nitric acid is concentrate nitric acid, then what it's form? See that. Then it's form copper nitrate, water 2 and 2NO2, nitrogen dioxide gas. See that, only that difference. When dilute, metal are same, copper, iron, zinc. Condition is same. Only when dilute nitric acid react, then it's form neutral oxide, nitrogen monoxide or nitric oxide. Where concentrate nitric acid react, then it form reddish brown color gas, nitrogen dioxide. This is the effect of when same metal, copper, react with dilute nitric acid, then it form metallic nitrogen monoxide, concentrate nitric acid, then reddish brown color nitrogen dioxide. One reaction I have explained, other three reactions are given in the book, page number 190. Page number 193. That given. After that, again aqua regia. You know that aqua regia, one part of nitric acid, the mixture of one part of nitric acid and 3 part of hydrogen, HCl. One part of nitric acid and 3 volume of hydrochloric acid. That mixture is known as aqua regia. About that I have explained in HCl chapter. HCl, hydrogen chloride gas chapter. I have explained. It form water, nitrosyl chloride. It form water plus nitrosyl chloride, NaCl, and nascent chlorine. What is aqua regia? The mixture of 1 volume of nitric acid and 3 volume of hydrochloric acid, known as aqua regia. It form nitrosyl chloride and nascent chlorine. And the other properties given, page number 193, that is given. You can see that. Now chemical property, now same oxidizing nature of the nitric acid. Already I have explained oxidizing nature. But here given with suppose hydrogen sulfide react with nitric acid expand sulfur plus water and water 3 to 8 and neutral oxide nitrogen monoxide. Means when it react with sulfur dioxide, iron sulfate, in that it's form nitric oxide only. This one very important reaction. When toluene, okay, C7H8 toluene. Already one is going to ask what is toluene. Organic solvent, okay. When toluene react with nitric acid, it's form TNT, trinitrotoluene. It's form TNT, C7H5 and NO2 whole thrice and water 3s2. This one is called TNT, trinitrotoluene. That is explosive. This is explosive in nature. Means in use of nitric acid, you can say that nitric acid also used for manufacture of TNT, TNG, TNC, trinitrocellulose, trinitroglycerin, trinitrotoluene. This can be used for manufacture of that. This reaction is important reaction. Now, with sawdust, nitric acid is from nitrogen dioxide. After that, how can you test about the nitric acid? First test is that when nitric acid keep in sun, it's decompose and give yellowish color due to presence of dissolved nitrogen dioxide. Next one, when nitric acid react with the copper, concentrate nitric acid, it's give reddish brown color, okay. It's a gas evolve that is reddish brown color. Now one confirmation test for the nitrate, I am going to explain about that, okay. See that I am going to explain brown ring test experiment. This is used for the finding the nitrate radical. The whatever apparatus used, already given page number 194. See that you have to take test tube. 2 or 3 test tube you take, okay. In one test tube you take nitric acid or fuming acid, nitric acid in the test tube. In other test tube you make a solution of iron second sulfate. Take iron second sulfate, एक distill water, then make a solution, pure solution of ferrous sulfate. And both means in one test tube you have taken nitric acid, and other test tube you have taken iron second sulfate, FeSO4. Now, add this iron second sulfate in this test tube, so that this is a mixture of nitric acid and iron second sulfate. After that, from the side of the test tube, you have to add concentrate sulfuric acid. From the side of test tube, you have to add concentrate sulfuric acid in that from the side, slowly. Don't tilt it, okay, don't disturb. It is better you keep the test tube on test tube stand. Add first nitric acid, then freshly prepare iron second sulfate solution, FeSO4. Freshly prepare means just you prepare and then you add in that. Then you find that at the junction of two liquid there will be a brown color ring. This is nitroso iron second sulfate ring form that ring is known as brown ring. That is, what reaction take place? See that in that reaction take place FeSO4 when react with sulfuric acid, it's form iron sulfate, water and nitric oxide. When this nitric oxide combine and its form means FeSO4 plus nitric oxide, its form a compound FeSO4 dot NO means nitrous of iron again sulfate. The ring you can see that is brown ring test, that is brown ring. So this brown ring test you have to write on your practical copy. Okay, for the hint 194 page, that is 95 page number 195, that is given already. So nothing in that. First you take nitric acid, then freshly you prepare iron again sulfate solution. Then this iron again sulfate solution, suppose in test tube you have taken. Now sulfuric freshly prepare iron again sulfate solution inside that. After that, it concentrate sulfuric acid from the side of the test tube. Okay, don't disturb it. You will see the brown ring, that is nitrous of iron again sulfate. After that, uses of nitric acid given. First use that it is used for making explosive like TNT, TNG, trinitroglycerin, TNC, trinitrotoluene. And uses of that you can write from the chemical properties. Chemical properties you can write the uses from that. Whatever reaction, that reaction according to that in book given here means preparation for aqua regia, preparation for nitrate means metallic nitrate, or with non-metal already reaction I have explained. So you can explain about that. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Pallu.